Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gayatri's Chemistry. Today our topic is concept of valency, orbital concept of valency. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Let's begin the topic, orbital concept of valency. Orbital concept of valency explains the formation of bonds in a better way. The formation of a covalent bond by sharing or merge of electrons half-filled valence orbitals. How the covalent bonds are formed? By merge or by overlapping of half-filled valence orbitals. What is these valence? Half-filled valence orbitals. These half-filled valence orbitals are called bonding orbitals. What are those called? Bonding orbitals. What are those called? Bonding orbitals. Let's see what are bonding orbitals. Let's take an example. Hydrogen, atomic number 1. In hydrogen, the atomic number 1. So number of electrons also in 1s orbital, number of electrons 1. Another example, C. Nitrogen, atomic number 7. 1s2, 2s2, 2px, 2py. So in oxygen, 1s2, 2s2, so see in hydrogen the number of valence orbitals are 1. So there is one bonding orbital in hydrogen. Similar way in nitrogen, how many valence half-filled valence orbitals? 3. So 3 bonding orbitals. In the same way oxygen, how many half-filled valence orbitals? 2. So 2 bonding orbitals. What are bonding orbitals? Half-filled valence orbitals. Half-filled valence orbitals are called bonding orbitals. Let's begin the topic, how hydrogen molecule is formed by overlapping of these bonding or half-filled valence orbitals. See, let us see formation of a hydrogen molecule. Let's take two atoms. Ha is one hydrogen atom, Hb is another hydrogen atom. Ha and Hb. This is one hydrogen atom. This is another hydrogen atom. This is a electron of this A hydrogen, electron of this B hydrogen atom. When they combine, see what happens here. We have considered two hydrogen atoms Ha and Hb. When these hydrogen atoms approach together, means they come close together. Here in a previous topic I have already told you that when atoms approach together, two forces act there. One is repulsive force and another is attractive force. Attractive force between positive and negative charge, while the repulsive force between positive and negative electrons. So here see the attractive force between the electron of Ha and the nucleus of Hb. because this is negative charge and this is positive charge. From this negative positive, here attraction, from these opposite charge there is a attraction. So here attractive force developed. Here also see, to this electron negative of Hb and nucleus of Ha, here also what happens, here also attractive force developed. Here also develops attractive force between electron of Hb and nucleus of Ha. In the same way, attractive force between electron of Ha and nucleus of Hb. That those two forces are attractive forces between oppositely charged electrons and nucleus. In the same way, repulsive force between electron of Ha, electron of Hb, and repulsive force between proton of Ha and proton of Hb. There is two forces develop here. Attractive forces, these attractive forces and repulsive forces. Attractive forces and repulsive forces. So when the attractive forces are more, both hydrogens come together and form a molecule. During this formation, they form 0.74 angstroms of bond length. What is the bond length of hydrogen? 0.74 angstroms. Bond length means, simply bond length means length of a bond. Bond length means length of a bond. But in chemistry, bond length means distance between two nucleus of two atoms. Distance between two nucleuses of two atoms is bond length. In hydrogen, the bond length is 0.74 angstroms. So when they approach together with both attractive and repulsive forces, the attractive forces are more, so the hydrogen combine with each other. So the hydrogen combine with each other. Hydrogen that has one electron in oneness, another hydrogen atom that has another electron in another oneness. So they form hydrogen bond, and this form hydrogen bond to form hydrogen molecule. So this orbital concept of valency clear the concept that how bonds are formed by overlapping, because here you see overlapping of orbitals. Which orbitals? Valence orbitals. Those orbitals are called bonding orbitals. Valence half-filled bonding orbitals overlap to form bonds. We can see, by using a hydrogen molecule, we know how the bonds are formed. Thank you for watching my videos.